Good morning, students. Welcome back to the online class of Bardwan Model School. I welcome you all to our math class. Okay, I think all of you are ready for the class. Yes. Okay. You must have your math book with you and your school math copy, because we are solving some of the sums from the chapter 1, knowing our numbers. Yes, knowing our numbers. I have written there chapter 1, knowing our numbers. Okay, so we'll be doing this one, knowing our numbers. And I have given one homework to you all. Okay, I think you have all done the homework. Just I will do the revision what I have given you. I will solve the two tables that is given on page number 9. This is page number 9 in your math book. That two tables at the bottom of the page it is given. We will solve that one. Okay, first of all I will make the table. This is first of all, this is the number, then number name, then expansion, first of all number 1. See from the first table, number 1. Okay, 7, 34, 543. So what is the number name? What is the number name here? I think all of you can tell this. This is 7 lakh. It has already been written there. We will have to do the expansion form. No, it is written 7,34,543. Yes, very good. So I will write this one, 7 lakh 34, 7 lakh 34,000 500 543. This one. Okay, 7 lakh, yes, 34,543. Expansion form, we'll do that one. See here, so 7 lakh means we'll write as 7 into 1 lakh. You can put commas there. Plus 3 into 10,000 plus 4 into 1,000 plus 5 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 3 into 1. I think all of you have done this one. Yes. So very good. 7 into 1 lakh plus 3 into 10,000 plus 4 into 1,000 plus 5 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 3 into 1. Okay, very good. All of you have done correctly. Okay. Now we will do the next one. Number 2, see there, 32, comma 75, comma 829. Okay. So we will do that one. First write the number. Just draw a line there. 32, comma 75, comma 829. So we will write this one. What is that one? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So I will write is 32 lakh, 32 lakh, 32 lakh, 75,000, 75,829, 829. Okay. So it is 32 lakh 75,829. Yes, very good. All of you are writing correct answer. So expansion form, it is already written. This one is the blank one. Actually, here the question has been given in this way that you have to fill the entries in the blank. So there is blank first one, it is blank in the expansion form, and second one it is blank in the number name. I have written here, and your expansion form, it has already been written in the book. You can write down in your copy also. Those who want to write, you can write down 3 into 10 lakh plus 2 into 1 lakh, 2 into 1 lakh plus 7 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1,000 plus 8 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 9 into 1. This is your answer. Okay, I think all of you have completed. Okay, very good. Okay, now we will do the second table, the last table from page number 9. The last table from page number 9, we will do this one. So I will rub the board now. Okay. Okay. Next one, last table. Now it is place values up to 10 crores. So see there, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Okay, so we will do only number 1 because number 1 there is blank only. No need of doing number 2. Number 2 it has already been written. You can do this in your copy. Number 1 and 2 both you will do this in your copy. But I am doing number 1 now. Okay. See here. only the number name. Here no expansion form is written given. No expansion form is given there for the number, so you don't have to write the expand form. You only have to write the number name. So first one, 2, 57, 34, 543. So the number is, it is 2 crore. I'll write there. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So it is 2 crore, 57 lakh, 57 lakh, 34 thousand 543. 43. Okay, this is your answer. 2 crore 57 lakh 34,543. I think all of you have written this one. Okay. Okay, here no expansion form is required here because there is no table in the second one. There is no column for expansion form, so no need of writing this one. I think all of you have written this one. Okay, we will go to next page, page number 10 now. All of you will be opening your page number 10. So I'll rub it here. Okay, now we will do page number 10. See all of you here, page number 10 here, two system of numeration we will learn here. One is Indian system of numeration, another is international system of numeration. See here, commas help us in reading and writing large numbers. You should remember this one. In our Indian system of numeration, we use ones, tens, 100,000 and then lakh and crore. So first of all, Indian system of numeration. No, you don't have to write this. Nobody will have to write this. You just remember this thing. It will help you. I think all of you have learned this one in the previous class. So once again I am telling you, in a system you will run ones, tens, hundreds, then 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, then 10 crore. Okay, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. This is Indian system, and in the international system of numeration, what we have learned? We have learned ones, then tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, then million, 10 million. This way we have learned. Okay, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. Okay, you should remember this one. Then there is we will move to next page. There is nothing there in page number 10 for doing. We have to do from page number 11. So all of you will be turning your page to page number 11. Okay, I will give one homework to you, just a discussion how to do, then you will do as homework. All of you look at, try this. This is page number 11. All of you please write down in your math copy, page number 11. Try this. There are two try this. You will do the first one. Try this. You will do number 1 and 2. So how to do this one? See, first of all, read this number 1. Read this number. Write them using placement boxes just as we have done in the page number 9. We have done the table number name expansion this way. This way you have to do this one. Write them using placement boxes and then write their expanded form. So here you will use the Indian system of numeration. Number 1 Indian system, and number 2 it is written there both Indian as well as international. Okay, so number 1 you will do as Indian system. I will explain you number 1. See here, you will do this way: 4 7 5 3 2 0. You will write them in separate placement boxes. You write there ones. Suppose I am showing you how to do this one. This will be ones, then tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, we have done this one previously. Then you will write, this is number name. You will write 4 lakh. What will write? We will write 4 lakh 75,000 320 320. Okay, this is a number name. Means first you will write the number, then you will give one arrow, then you will do the placement boxes. Means the place value box you will do. You will write there ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, as you have done from page number 9. Okay, then you will write the number name, then the expansion form you will write. Expansion form. How to write the expansion form? You know this one, very easy. First one, 4 into 1 lakh. 4 into 1 lakh plus 7 into 10,000. Okay, then 5 into 1000, then 3 into 100, then plus 2 into 10. Okay, 0 is in the ones place. No, you are writing that one. So this way you will do in your math copy. Okay, so okay, that's all for today's class, children. Okay, you have, I think you have all understood. You will complete this, try this, try this. You will complete it as homework, because we have to do the next exercises given. Exercise 1.1 and 1.2, it is there. We have to complete it. So till then, thank you everyone, and bye. Hope you will all do your homework. Okay, thank you.